engine to power the car up, So an engine is in a car for a purpose. So now when we're saying that we want to deliver a car without an engine, and looking at the fact that an engine was not even there in the first car that was delivered, it was actually a drawing in black and white. So what are we saying? What are we saying in the class of greatness about a car without an engine? We are saying that it is possible. It is actually possible to have a car without an engine, because the car without an engine was already there. It was the first idea. The first idea of a car did not even have an engine. But an engine came to solve a problem of providing energy to the car. Now, with the help of an engine, cars move very fast. Now we have cars going at 300 and something kilometers an hour and accelerating at speeds that we can actually marvel, like, wow, this car is going very fast.